John Tortorella.
Coach, it looked like you had him, and then it slipped away. What went wrong?
Number of things, Stan. I'll keep it in the room.
John, can you just talk about the decision to sit Gabrick down
No.
parts of the third?
No.
Did you feel there was enough? Did you feel this was the kind of effort you would have needed to win this game?
No.
Are you disappointed that in this showing that after you had an effort in Washington?
I answered your first question, no.
Next question. You need to see more from certain guys who didn't play as much as they normally did. I mean, just not enough effort, results, everything.
You need to improve as a hockey team every game.
What areas would you like to see better?
I'm going to keep it in the room, Stan.
Anybody else?
All right, that was